Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to show you how you can easily browse YouTube videos in incognito mode on your mobile device right after this. When we watch videos on YouTube, we notice that as we watch more of certain types of videos, the platform will suggest similar videos to us when we're going through our homepage, when we're going through our feed. We will see videos not only from channels that we subscribe to, but from videos that are suggested to us based on the algorithm of what we've been watching. But what if you don't want YouTube to dish out to you similar videos to ones that you're watching? Well, I'm going to show you how you can easily avoid this by one simple setting in your YouTube mobile app. Now, we can also do this on the desktop, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how to do it on your mobile device, whether you're on an iPhone or an Android. I'm currently on my iPhone. In order to do this, all we have to do is open our YouTube mobile app. Now that's the app down here at the bottom of my box that just says YouTube. I'm going to tap on that. It's going to open up my YouTube app. In the upper right-hand corner is my icon, Handy Hudsonite. I'm going to tap on that. It'll open up this screen. And down here, almost all the way to the bottom, just above the settings, it says turn on incognito. If you tap on that, it will bring you back to the screen, but now in the upper right, you'll notice the incognito icon. So now you are browsing completely in dark mode, if you will, from your normal YouTube experience that's connected to your account, to your brand channel. So now for whatever videos that you watch, these will not be suggested to YouTube, so that when you go back to your normal account, you will not have videos that are similar to the ones that you've watched in incognito mode. And the data from what you watch here, will be deleted. And so when we go back into our normal account, you tap on that, you'll see the short menu in the bottom, turn off incognito. We're back here, and the videos that we've watched in incognito won't influence what we're suggested to here in the app. So I hope this has been helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, the Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done like this one. And be sure to hit the notification bell so that you get all the content as it goes up on my channel. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.